Are you the kind of woman who wants to buy a beach house, but you realize that your job is probably never going to be able to pay you enough to buy a beach house? Or even if your job pays you enough, you have to work that job, and so you won't actually be able to enjoy that beach house? Is that you? Maybe you want a lake house. Maybe you want a mountain chalet. Maybe it's not a beach house that you want. But whatever it is, I'm telling you, you deserve that second house. You deserve that vacation house. And you deserve to make money off that puppy, honey. And that's what I want for you. My name is Whitney Nicely. I'm from She Buys It. I'm the broker for Whitney Buys Houses. And I'm having an event in this building right here, November 6th through the 9th of 2019. And we're going to be talking about how you can buy houses without banks or a license, and then how you can turn that thing into a cash flow machine. All right, Cashflow is the name of the game. We're going to be playing Cashflow actually on Wednesday night at She Buys It Live. And I want you to be here to turn that board game into your real life experience. Ladies, you deserve passive income, and you deserve a beach house or a lake house or a mountain chalet or whatever it is that you dream of at night. You deserve it. And I'm going to help you at She Buys It Live make that dream a reality. All right? No unrealistic expectations. We're going to turn all of your dreams into possibilities and put a step-by-step plan in place so that you know what to do when you get back home. Or maybe you get something under contract while you're here. That would be awesome too. Ladies, come join us in Knoxville, November 6th through the 9th of 2019. We're going to be here at the Mill and Mine building. It's called She Buys It Live, and you can get your ticket at shebuysitlive.com. All right, maybe there's a link above the video there, or maybe it's down below the video, or maybe not. Maybe just type in shebuysitlive.com, maybe hit in the bio or whatever. Go to shebuysitlive.com and get your ticket. Join us in Knoxville, November 6th through the 9th at She Buys It Live. We're going to be here at the Mill and Mine building, and we're going to be talking about all about how to get those vacation rental houses done, how to get that passive income set up, and how to start living your dream life now. Go to shebuysitlive.com and get your ticket. I'll see you in Knoxville this November.